In today's video, I'll show you how to blur and unblur background apps on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, if you go into the recents menu, for example, as you can see, I have blurred this particular app, and this protects the app content so that even if someone wants to view whatever it is I was doing in the recents app, they cannot see that. So to blur an app, simply find the app that you want to blur, and then tap on this option at the top here, this arrow, and select blur. So once you select the blur option, that app is going to be blurred, and now even if you go into the recents menu, you will not see what that app the app content of that app. Now, to simply use the app, you can tap on the app to open it just like that. So it kind of defeats the purpose, but if you still go into the background menu, that app content is going to be blurred. Now, to unblur, simply tap on that option once again and select unblur, and then that particular app is going to be unblurred just like that. So that's basically how to blur and unblur background apps to protect your app content on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.